Hi, I'm Khachi, a longtime resident of Oakville. Just moments from Lake Ontario, near Lakeshore Rd in 4th Line, Kingscrest represents the ultimate in custom luxury by Fernbrook Homes. Oakville boasts one of the most spectacular waterfronts in the GTA, with 2 majestic harbors, acres of pristine parklands, and a downtown core that is a fascinating heritage, art, and entertainment destination. This ultimate cul-de-sac community features a limited release of exquisite residences on sprawling 100-foot wide lots, featuring some of the highest quality features and finishes. To see this vision come to life, simply step into the singular beauty of the King James model home, which I designed and decorated for Fernbrook. As you enter, the grand foyer is flanked by 2 magnificent rooms, a private library on one side and the formal dining room with some exquisite finishing details on the other. Directly in front, the magnificent entrance hall leads you to the rest of the house. As you walk through, you'll notice some of the fine design elements such as the intricate tile flooring and the standard plaster moldings. The kitchen, with custom quality cabinetry by Downsview Kitchens, represents the pinnacle of luxury design with a Wolf Sub-Zero appliance package as a standard feature. A combination of innovative design and premium fixtures crafts an environment where you live and entertain feel truly exceptional. Adjacent to the kitchen is a delightful breakfast setting with a built-in coffee center, cooler drawers, additional pantry storage, and a sophisticated wine display. This area transitions openly into the great room, where the design of this grand family space embraces individuality, eclecticism, and whimsy, while portraying creativity at its very best. In these houses, hardwood floors throughout, hard surfaces for all countertops, 10-foot ceilings on the main floor, 9-foot ceilings in the basement and the second floor, 2 furnaces, 2 air conditioning units are just some of the standards you would receive. Travel upstairs by the built-in elevator and arrive at a whole new level of luxury. Each bedroom on this level boasts its own private ensuite and spacious walk-in closet. The master bedroom, through its double-door entry, is the epitome of warmth, thanks to the sophisticated layers of texture and beauty on the walls and floors. The balance of modern and classic design elements provides an unexpected edge. A perfectly placed cosmetic counter, display shelving, and a well-appointed walk-in closet with space for 2 complete wardrobes makes this retreat a space to revere. The master ensuite features a double-sink lavatory center, a welcoming freestanding tub, a wet area with a magnificent glass shower, and a private water closet. Take the elevator to the lower level and discover spaces designed to entertain, including a recreational family space with a dedicated games area and a fashionable home theater space and a hobby room, to name a few. These homes are an example of Fernbrook's desire to be the best custom quality home builder in Ontario. I not only work with Fernbrook in a professional capacity, I'm also a customer. I've bought several homes from Fernbrook, and what's most refreshing and exciting is that they allow you to customize and redesign your home to suit your own personal lifestyle at no extra cost. To learn more about the King James, or to have the opportunity to tour this magnificent model home, visit the Kingscrest Estates website and book an appointment today. Thank you for watching.